Hi, and welcome to the Build, Restore, Repair channel. In this episode, we will look into the Nespresso Essenza Mini, the smallest machine from the Nespresso coffee company. This model has a standard retail price of 7,500 Philippine pesos or about $150 US. Let's begin with the unboxing. Upon opening the box, you will find a few accessories, a manual, 14 pieces of assorted coffee capsules, and the coffee machine. The front of the machine is where three plastic parts are located. These are the used capsule container, wastewater container, and the cup support. The coffee nozzle and steam cover is also located in the front. At the back of the machine is where a 0.6-liter removable water tank is located. On the top are two buttons for the two cup sizes, Espresso, which is the 40 ml, and the Lungo, which is 110 ml. And right in front of it is the coffee capsule bay. This machine is indeed very small with a width, height, and depth dimension of 3.3 by 12.9 by 8 inches. Just a little bigger than a big man's palm. It is very light, weighing just 5.07 pounds. Okay, now let's give it a test run. First, we have to fill the water tank with water. After the tank is filled, we can now put our selected coffee capsule flavor inside the coffee capsule bay. For this example, I will be selecting the large or Lungo 110 ml cup size. It will take approximately 25 seconds to heat up the water. After that, the machine will force the ready and heated water through the capsule with a pressure of 19 bar. You will instantly be greeted with a waft of delicious and inviting aroma of coffee, similar to what you would smell at a local boutique cafe. If the Lungo size is too strong for your taste, you can even do a double press of the capsule so that your cup will have more steam water mixed in.
You can do a double press.
You can be sure that the machine will even give you some froth to top off your cup. After the process, the coffee capsule can now be dumped into the used capsule container. This happens automatically when you open the capsule handle. You can access the used capsule container by pulling on the cup support. It can hold up to 6 used capsules. Now here is a before-after montage of the coffee capsules just to illustrate what happens to it during the coffee making process. It gets punctured both at the front and the back, and steam water forced through it. The machine automatically shuts off after 9 minutes of non-operation. This is indeed a good espresso maker to have. It's small, easy to use, and does a good job of making delicious coffee. Not bad at all. Do you think this product is worth its price? Comment on the comment box below. I would love to hear what you think. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to this channel. I would surely appreciate it. See you on the next Build, Restore, Repair episode.